What's up, Jules? It's Ruby, and if you're new here, that's my dog. Hey, sit. Yes. So today I'm going to show you guys how to style just a pink mini skirt many ways. Literally got like the skirt that I'm wearing throughout the whole video thrifting, and I'm really proud of myself because when I went thrifting, I'm like, okay, I just want black heels and a pink mini skirt because I feel like a pink mini skirt can go with a lot of clothes in my closet. And I did that. I didn't shop for anything else. Woo! Let's like not have this cringy mess. Let's get on with the video. So for the first outfit, I'm just wearing this formal styled shirt. I found this top when I was thrifting, and I believe it's part of the prom dress, like a two-piece, but I dressed it down a little bit with this jacket right here. I like to mix fabrics because it makes the look more wearable for an everyday look. Yeah, so let's go to outfit number 2. So for the second outfit, I am doing some layering. Whoa! So I have this velvet crop top on top of this wonderful shirt. Is it a shirt? Is it a sweater? Don't really know, but it's also cropped, and it has these super cool sleeves. And then it seemed like something was missing if I just didn't have the necklace, so I added this little ruby, it's my name, anyways, yeah, a little ruby necklace, and yeah, it's a vibe. Okay, let's go to the next outfit. So for the third outfit, I'm wearing this super cool striped bell sleeve shirt. Yes, I love my bell sleeves. Kind of like the last look because of the bell sleeves, but I didn't do any layering. Then I just added a little belt for some extra styling, and yeah, we chilling out here. Another note is this shirt has a hole in it. Holy smokes. There is a hole in the shirt? What? So the point that I'm trying to get across is to wear clothes that you love over and over again until there's literally holes in it. You can't even see the little hole, so I'm just gonna repair it, like get some needle and thread, and boom, I can wear it again. So for this outfit, I'm just wearing this flowy top. One reason why I like this top is because of the ruffles right over here. Yeah, we love making the boobs look bigger. And then I just styled it with a belt. So for the last outfit, I have this turtleneck on, and what do you know, we got the bell sleeves again, and I just styled it with the belt again, and yeah, we're chilling. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Turn on notifications. Boop. If you stayed to the end, thank you so much. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!